Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV. My name is Ken.Quick. I go by Coach. I'm a retired teacher and coach from Idaho. My number is 208-250-8625. If you've got any questions about this coach or any other coach, please give me a call. Today it's my pleasure to show you this 2016 Thor Tuscany 40-footer. It's a 40DX. Let's go inside and take a look around. This is a gorgeous coach. Look at the storage back here. You got hanging bars all the way across, all the way back in there. Cedar lined storage. More storage over here. Lots up above. Nice, got these locks on here. There's your toilet, and over here you've got a really nice vanity with lights on both sides. Look how far back that goes in there for storage. All your different products that you need in the bathroom. More storage underneath. Across the hall, this coach is already equipped with a Whirlpool stacker, washer and dryer. Can't beat that. Big shower. Skylight up above. It's hot right now in Oregon, and we got the air conditioner going in this coach, and it feels great. As we move into the bedroom, big king-size bed, window on one side. I'm going to let my cameraman take a picture of this privacy door here. Very tastefully done. Give you a little privacy when you're in there taking a shower and getting ready. Sony TV right across. Storage on this side. Big closet here. You can see down below here there are 7 drawers. Two big ones on the bottom, some smaller drawers up above. Here we've got another closet. This is a nice feature. The rack actually comes out so you can see what you have hanging there. Okay. As we move in here, here's another one of these really nice privacy doors. Okay. I'm going to trade places with my cameraman. Here on this side of the hallway, we've got a great big refrigerator, freezer, ice maker up above here. Freezer down below. And across the hall we have our bath and a half here. This is our half bath. Alright. In the kitchen area here, we've got an induction cooktop, microwave convection oven, good size one. And right here we've got a dishwasher that has a note in here from this is a one owner coach, never used. So basically a brand new dishwasher. Double sink, spray nozzle, and corian countertops, solid surface countertops. Got little drawers here, lots of storage underneath. Across we've got our booth with the pad in the back. This becomes a very comfortable, it's almost like a recliner. Got our TV right here, one TV right here. Storage down below. Thin storage, but at least it gives you some. Up above here with more cabinets. This is a glazed cherry cabinet. Across over here you've got theater seating with a televator across that pops up over here. Up here in the cockpit, you see it's got auto leveling. It's got, you know, all the bells and whistles up here. Big monitor, so when you put your, you got side cameras, backup camera. Again, this is a 40DX Tuscany 2016 one owner coach. Full body paint. Outside TV right here. You see the storage here, big storage area up front. This storage area goes all the way across. Another big slide tray could go in right there. Here's a slide tray here. More store, slide tray goes both ways. Our next spot here, we've got a tank for potable water. Big wheels and tires, alloy wheels, chassis batteries right here, inverter. As we move to the back, you can see this is already set up to tow. Backup camera up above and ladder. Some nice features. On this side we've got the 50 amp cord on a reel, which makes it a lot easier to handle. And here's an upgrade that the last owner put in, 8 AGM batteries. And if you RV, you know AGM batteries are the way to go. And they're not expensive. They're very expensive, but they're great and they hold their charges. Okay, right here we've got our DEF fluid, our clean out station, shower, sewer tank flush, filter. This coach is equipped with a Dirt Devil central vac system. So you've got your slide tray that comes through this way. That's your open area over there where we can put another slide tray. Here we have our Aqua Hot. We got our generator going, running that air conditioner today. There's our hydraulics, side cameras, right up on top here. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coach here at Guaranty RV, please give the coach a call, 208-250-8625. Thanks a lot and have a great day.